Hello my beauties and cuties! Welcome back to the All You Can Face YouTube channel. In case we haven't met before, I'm Anastasia, the founder of All You Can Face, and I'm passionate about teaching you how to exercise your facial muscles, how to massage them, and overall to connect with your skin and face a little bit more, because usually we are often used to put creams on our face, but when it comes to everything beneath the skin, we are not really aware. I want to share more about everything beneath the skin. And today I have something special for you. I would love to show you a gua sha routine for the cheeks, or we will also focus a little bit on the mid part of the face. So we will sculpt your cheeks, we will relax the nasolabial fold area, and overall also get into this jaw tension right here. So without further ado, make sure your tool is clean, your hands are clean, and also make sure to prep your skin with a facial oil so you have enough slip and glide in order to not really pull and tuck the skin. I'm using the squalene Inky List oil right now, but you can use anything you have at home in order to give you a glide or slip, and something which preferably obviously not irritates your skin. And if your skin becomes also a little bit red, that's absolutely normal. Make sure to not still push too much into your skin, but use the weight of the stone in order to make the movement happen. And if you do not have a gua sha at home, you can absolutely make those movements also with your hands, with a spoon, and basically make sure you have something like in this similar shape. But again, a spoon or your hands will do exact the same job. So let's go. little bit relaxed around the area right here and can feel already your cheekbones a little bit lifted. But be also aware that these are massages, lymphatic drainage massages, which are amazing for your face, but you can also exercise your facial muscles, and especially the cheekbone muscles right here, you can sculpt and lift, and therefore the skin, which is directly attached to the muscle, will become more plump and everything else will start to lift. So for that, make sure to check out the program at allyoucanface.com, because just like exercising your body, you have to do it every day, and there you will be able to unlock a 10-minute video every day and just follow along and sculpt and tone your face every day. And with that being said, I wish you an amazing rest of your day and can't wait to see you next week. Till then, mwah.